ba?
Sarap.
Of course. I
Thank you
want
for
some-
delivering.
Delivering. I'm the delivery girl and, okay.
Room service.
One mango sticky rice for each of them. Two. I mean, one each.
One each.
So, okay. My God. This is masarap. Kasi kanina fail no?
Having some wine also.
Wine. Oh my God.
Mangos din.
Mangoes. I get one pack of lanzones for Olivia in one pack.
So this is dinner.
Liam doesn't know how to open. Oh my gosh.
Okay, let's see.
You-
This is good.
you put-
Pour it.
Pour. Oh, see. Let me know how it tastes. Oh, your polo again. Don't put dirt. Oh, how is it? How? Is it good? Oh my
Wala.
God. Oh, we can have merienda tomorrow there.
How's it compared to DTF?
100% better.
100% better. Oh my gosh. Wow.
Okay, Olivia, for you.
Wow. Thank you.
One pack for you.
Wow. Oh my gosh.
You may-
Thank
okay,
you.
we'll bring back the makopa.
Okay.
One pack of makopa.
Wow. Thank you.
Okay, enjoy your dinner.
Thank you.
You'll do it.
Eat my dinner too. Okay,
Come on.
bye.
Thank you.
Okay, this is your basura, ha?
Okay.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Sarap na.
That's actually really good.
That's not bad, ha? Okay, bye. Enjoy your food.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. It's mudra.
Nag-video na siya.
Yan na. Ano bang ginagawa ni Mom?
Hi, Pals.
What's that? What is she doing, Dad? Ninang Small, please send help. And dumating na yung dessert, guys. It's me. You're having me for dessert.
Ew.
Grabe. Nagpapamasahe lang ako, guys.
Yeah.